DJI is set to reveal some of its most impressive drones this year, and the excitement surrounding their upcoming releases is building. One of the most anticipated models is the Mavic 4 Pro, which is rumored to feature game-changing upgrades, from a redesigned camera module to powerful new hardware. If the leaks are anything to go by, the Mavic 4 Pro promises to take your aerial cinematography to new heights. And with its release expected in just a month, let's dive into what's new and whether it's worth the wait. The latest hands-on photos from Igor Bogdanov give us a clear look at the Mavic 4 Pro's camera module. The design has been completely overhauled, although the triple camera setup remains. What's particularly exciting is the updated lens details, which indicate significant improvements. According to a full-spec list shared by Azatalv on X, the main camera remains the same, with a 1x1.3-inch 24mm CMOS sensor. However, the other two cameras feature larger sensors than before. Both telephoto lenses now come with 1-inch and 1.5-inch CMOS sensors, with 166mm and 50mm focal lengths, respectively. This upgrade will notably enhance the zoom capabilities of the Mavic 4 Pro, allowing for more detailed shots from the sky. Additionally, the camera will support a lossless portrait mode, making it easier to capture high-quality landscape shots in portrait orientation. The Mavic 4 Pro will also feature a newly improved gimbal, designed to stabilize footage even in strong winds or fast-moving scenes. When it comes to image quality, the Mavic 4 Pro will support Apple ProRes 422HQ and 4:4:4XQ, providing superior image fidelity with full 4:4:4 color sampling and support for alpha channels, ideal for professional-level cinematography. Another handy upgrade is the Auto Power-On feature, which allows you to simply unfold the drone and take off instantly, saving you time when you're on the go. Additionally, the Mavic 4 Pro is expected to feature new, quieter propellers, reducing noise during flight. DJI will also introduce a new foldable controller, the RC Pro 2, which has been teased by Jasper Ellens. This new controller design offers better portability, but comes with a premium price tag. For connectivity, the Mavic 4 Pro will come with OcuSync 4 Plus and advanced live transmission technology, boasting a range of up to 20 kilometers. Flight time is another area where the Mavic 4 Pro shines, offering more than 50 minutes of runtime and at least 48 minutes of hover time. However, it's worth noting that none of the Mavic 4's components will be compatible with the Mavic 3, so if you're thinking of upgrading, you'll need to get new batteries, propellers, and radio equipment. If you're an aerial cinematographer looking for the ultimate tool to elevate your footage, the Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be a must-have. With so many upgrades in store, it's definitely worth waiting for. Would you be interested in buying the Mavic 4 Pro when it launches? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and be sure to like and subscribe for all the latest tech news.